Bonjour dear kids, my name is Rupali, your EVS teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. In last lecture, we have covered animal around us and today we are going to discuss about insects and worms because we know that there are various types of insects and worms like, yes, butterflies, honeybees, mosquitoes, houseflies, earthworms, and so on. Let us discuss.
Ashwin, Radha, Jassi and Saira were resting under a tree in their school playground after a game of cricket. Suddenly Ashwin saw something. He said excitedly, "Look at that beetle." Radha was quick to add, "Hey, look, the beetle is not alone. A fly is stuck on the ground. The lizard will soon catch and eat it." The other children also got interested. Jassi said, "Look at that bumblebee on the sunflower. And there is a caterpillar on that leaf. Within a few days, it will turn into a pupa and then into a beautiful butterfly." Saira saw something moving in the grass. She asked, "Is that a grasshopper?" "Yes," Ashwin answered. "And that helicopter-like thing flying over there is a dragonfly." The children also saw many ladybirds. There were also many ants marching up and down the trunk of a tree. On top of another tree, they spotted a beehive. Ashwin remembered that his EVS teacher had said, "We get honey from bees." Insects. Insects are very small animals. They live all around us in the plains, forests, cities, towns, lakes, rivers, and even in the mountains. There are many different kinds of insects. All insects have 6 legs. They crawl along the ground. Some insects such as butterflies, moths, and dragonflies have wings and they can fly. Insects hatch from eggs. Most of them have a pair of antennae that helps them to smell, feel, and taste. The body of an insect consists of 3 parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Insects do not have backbones, but they usually have a hard outer covering that protects their bodies. Ants. Ants are social insects. They live in colonies. There is a queen ant in every colony. She lays eggs in the colony. The worker ants collect food and take care of the colony. In a large colony, sometimes there is more than one queen ant. Ants have wings when they are born, but they shed them as they grow. Most ants eat everything. Others, such as the black ants, eat only fruits and grass. Honeybees. Honeybees are also social insects. They make hives in which they collect nectar and make honey. There may be thousands of bees in a beehive. Bees live in colonies. There is only one queen bee in a colony. She lays eggs. The rest of the bees in the colony are worker bees. They collect food and keep the colony safe from enemies. Houseflies. Houseflies feed on human or animal food and waste materials. They pick up germs on their hairy legs when they sit on dirt and rubbish. When they sit on food, they leave behind these germs and dirt. If we eat this food, we may fall sick. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes bite people and suck their blood. They breed in water and remain in one place and does not flow. So we do not let water collect in and around our house. Water insects. Water insects spend a part of their life cycle in water. Mayflies and stoneflies are some water insects. Worms. Worms have long bodies and no bones. A worm's body is divided into many segments. Earthworms and leeches are some common worms. Earthworms live in the soil and turn the soil when they move. This makes the soil loose and airy. They also help to turn fallen leaves and twigs in the soil into fertile manure. They are very useful to farmers. Insect bites, rashes, and diseases. Bees will sting you if you bother them. A bee sting is very painful. It causes redness and irritation. Mosquitoes carry diseases such as malaria and dengue. Houseflies spread diseases such as typhoid and diarrhea. Mosquitoes and flies live in places that are dirty and wet. We must keep our house and our surroundings clean. We must not eat food that is not covered. Some creatures can cause rashes on the skin. A caterpillar has fine hair on its body. If we brush against it or if it happens to crawl on us, rashes develop on our skin.